Howdy boys and girls, it's your boy Matt over here, and today I'll be going through how to put up one of our Happy Hygiene Pull-Up Banners. So these are very useful for creating awareness in and around the spaces you may occupy. Maybe the office, it could be a shopping centre, warehouse, preferably for indoor spaces, but can be used outdoor. So I have set one up previously, just to show you what it should look like as a finished result. But I'll also set one up for you, go through that with you, just to show you how to get it done. So first things first, unzip the bag, and take the pull-up banner out. Toss the bag aside. And then you'll find this comes in two parts. So you got your pole, and then you actually have your pull-up banner with the base and everything within the inside there. So, gravel the feet out. Get the pole set up. And then insert it through the little insert. And there you go. Now this one I've struggled with putting up in the past, so you just have to be prepared. May get some feedback with this one. Just make sure it's clipped in. Try again. Success. There we go. All set up. And then we have our Happy Hygiene Pull-Up Banner.